Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to show you a piece from Jeulia jewelry that I purchased myself. Do you want to know what I chose? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Jeulia jewelry did not send me this one for review this time. I know it's surprising, but they did not send me this one for review. I actually went to their website and purchased it myself. If you watched my last video, then you would know they sent me this beautiful bracelet, and I told you in that video that I chose this one specifically because it had other items that matched with it. So I wanted to show you that if you did purchase a item and you liked others, you could always get them at another time because they have several different ones that match or that are in similar styles, colors, that kind of thing. So you can always add to it at any given time. So again, I chose this one for that reason, and I purchased my own. I don't know if you guys will choose which one, if you would know which one that I decided to get, but I'm going to show you which one I ordered. It matches that for sure. So let's see. When you first open it up, just like all the others, you do have this right on top that says stop. If you do have something sized, there will be a piece of paper on there, which I will have it. Hint, hint. Now you know. I will have it on mine. So you definitely check it first before you remove it. If you remove that sticker, you cannot get it exchanged, warranted, or anything like that. So always make sure it fits you 100% and you're 100% happy with it before you remove that piece of paper. So that's what this is. Stop, drop, and roll. Not really. Just stop, check, and then proceed. Then you do have a brochure right on top that will go over some of the different pieces that they have. And they change this all the time because they're always getting new and exciting items. So I love going through this. Ooh, look at the peacock inspired. I love me some peacocks. And then, oh, like, yes, that's the ring that I got, the butterfly ring that actually you pinch it and it opens up. Super, super cute. So this goes over just a few different items. Ooh, look at that back cover one. And I love the fact that they take into consideration every little nook and cranny when they do make their jewelry. You'll have things underneath, on the side, on the edges. Like, you will have their proprietary stones all over, and I love that. So there's the little pamphlet that you can look through, and then here is a bag. So if this was a gift for somebody, you can take this bag out, open it up. They have you already set with a greeting card and a cleaning cloth. If this is not for a gift, take the cleaning cloth out of this black package right here so you can use it to clean your jewelry. If this is, like I said, for a gift, you just toss your item in there and you're ready to go. There you go. If it's not, then you don't care about the bag because this is what you want to know. Again, remove this because in here is the actual cleaning cloth. They come in several different colors, but always hang on to that so you can clean your jewelry. And then here is a greeting card with lines that you can just write your own little message. So whatever type of occasion, you can drop it in. Again, if that was the gift. So let's go ahead and see what is going to be in here. It does come in their beautiful box as always, and that is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, and when I ordered, they had a deal at the time where I got a free item as well. So that's in here as well. So I'm going to show you what that is. This is actually for a gift. When I saw it, I knew the perfect person for it to go to. So I'll show you that in a minute. But look at this ring. Do you guys see this? And again, it matches the top of this one perfectly. This is stunning. I really wanted to get this open to show you guys because I want to start wearing it. I'm going to actually put this one on this finger, and I don't know, I might break this. This is my 3-piece set that I've had for like, oh my goodness, 2 or 3 years now. And I always tell you guys I never clean it or anything like that, but this is a 3-piece set. So I was thinking maybe of taking like them and kind of separating them. Maybe I could even use these on my thumbs or something, and then maybe put this one, maybe take my one last real one off. Oh no, it's a little big. Well, not really, but and then I could always put these on my thumb. So I could always break up the set in other ways, but I can't wait to get this out and get it on, and I hope it fits. Okay, so Here is the little tag that I was telling you guys about. This would be on it. So that's what you have to check and make sure everything is good before you remove this right here. Let's see. It fits perfectly, so I can take that off. Yay. I'm so excited. I ended up getting the same size that I got the other one because I knew the other one fits me and there's no other problems. So this one has two that are already connected. And this is another thing that I really am going to like about this one, because this other one has 3 different pieces. So all 3 would kind of move around. They stayed for the most part, but every now and then you would see they're twisting and turning away from each other. Where this one, the 2 on the sides are built in, and then you just have the 1 in the middle. So these 2 will never move. And this one right here kind of just goes set down inside. And then it has this down here to kind of hold everything, you know, together. So I think I'm gonna actually enjoy this one a lot more because now they're not gonna be twisting. Not that I didn't care, like I said, I didn't care twisting them, but I like the fact that this is basically 2 pieces that looks like 3 versus 3. Ooh, and see, there's even, don't start losing pieces here. No. Hang on, let me put this back in here. Let me show you. There's even like a little stone right there. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And you see how they shine, how beautifully bright and just bam, right in your face. Like this is just super shiny. Even the other one that I just took off, it still shines, but fits like a glove. Yes, I do. I have some cuts. I have some mosquito bites. I got things on me. Who cares? But look at that. Is just so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. So that is what I wanted to show you. Let me put my bracelet on so they can match together, because that's what I bought this for. Well, I bought the ring because I was just thoroughly impressed by how it looked online, and it's even more beautiful, like more beautiful, if that's even a correct word. It is absolutely amazing in person. It looks way better in person, and you can fall in love with all of their jewelry online, but in person, it's like, so my bracelet and my ring, oh my gosh, that is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. I do not regret my purchase whatsoever. Let me show you the thing that it came with it. Because again, at the time that I purchased it, because they have deals all the time, they have amazing sales all the time. And then sometimes when you do place an order, you could get a little extra item as a free gift. And that is what this one was. I think this said it was valued at $125. And it is a mermaid necklace. And I have a friend who absolutely loves mermaids. So this is definitely gonna go to her. But it does have one of their stones like right in, it looks like the mermaid's head. Yeah, you see it gleam. And then there's the mermaid body. And all of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver, and they never tarnish or change or anything like that. I have no problems with any of their jewelry. I absolutely love it. So I think that's really neat that they even sent like a little free gift as well. So that is my purchase. If you want to know a little bit more about Jeulia, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, I will let you know right about now. I'll tell you all the information. I'll even play the video that I love to play for you guys. So if you did miss the other videos and you can see how they kind of make their stuff, it gives you a little bit more insight to the company, and I love showing it. So for the ring sizes, they go anywhere from a size 3 to a size 15 and every half in between. So at first I was like afraid to get a ring. So I'm like, there's no way they're going to fit on my little Vienna sausage chunky Dunkin' fingers. And once I saw they go up to size 15, I'm like, oh yeah, they can, because it's not that big. So I was like super excited because now I can actually have jewelry that, oh, look at that. That is just beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. I am in love. Okay, so back to Jeulia. Sorry. I do have a code, which is SheCrafty15. That'll get you 15% off your total purchase, even on the sale item. So definitely use SheCrafty15 if you want to check out their website, and I will link them all down below. You can go straight to their website. Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. So they do have a little scale on their site that says why choose Jeulia, and it has looks like a diamond, check, check for Jeulia and a mined diamond. Durable, check, check. Hardness is a 9 with a Jeulia and 10 for a mined diamond. Density is a 5.70 for Jeulia and a 3.52 for a mined diamond. 100% ethically sourced is only for Jeulia. Potential harmful mining is only for a mined diamond. Measuring an impressive 9 out of possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide the beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. That would be this right here. They do have colors. That's what they're talking about. They have all different colors, but this one, just for example, does have blue. This is my butterfly ring, so there is some blue stones. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. Again, all of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. They have 30-day returns, free standard shipping over $99, a 1-year warranty, secure shopping, and flexible financing. So if you do want to see that video, here you go.
My name is Laura and I'm one of the head designers for Jeulia Jewelry. Jewelry is not just something you wear. It's something you feel. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a way of life. Jeulia Jewelry has the ability to not only personalize a look, but also to evoke emotion and create memories. This is the very mentality of Jeulia Jewelry, and we create beautiful premium artisanal jewelry that express, that reflect who you are and what you stand for. Pieces that you won't only wear to ceremonies and parties, but that you'll want to wear throughout your everyday life. Our dream is to make you feel an emotional connection to our jewelry, which is why each of our personalized designs are 100% handcrafted to offer you what you love from our heart to your heart. Everything we offer is made in-house, so we know that craftsmanship like this comes from caring hands and not from an assembly line, to ensure that the end product is a beautiful representation of the woman wearing it. Inspiration is a finicky concept because it comes from one's perception of this reality, and so therefore you can open a book, a fairy tale book in your workplace and be inspired, and other times you walk around and you see random items and they push you to create the most beautiful jewelry. I would say in the end, making jewelry is almost dreamlike because it allows you to tap into your emotional feelings, which is precious. Yes, Jeulia, I love me.
Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I wanted to show you about the piece that I actually purchased myself. Again, that is just absolutely beautiful. I am so glad that I purchased this, and I'm just so glad that they got a hold of me years ago. And this is the only company that I will be bringing to my channel to show you guys anything jewelry, because I stand by it. I wear it every day and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching to see what I purchased. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of it? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.